Can a machine really take over your household chores, cooking, cleaning, or even reminding you to take medicine? For centuries, people dreamed of having mechanical helpers, but now smart home robots are making that dream feel real. From vacuuming your floors to guarding your house, these AI-powered assistants are stepping into everyday life. But are they just clever gadgets, or are we truly entering the age of AI maids? Let's dive into the future of home living and see what's ahead. Number 1, the evolution of household help. Household chores have always been a part of human life, but the tools we use to manage them have changed dramatically. In earlier times, tasks like laundry, cleaning, and cooking demanded hours of manual labor. Then came appliances like washing machines, dishwashers, and microwaves, which transformed daily life by saving time and effort. Now we are entering the next chapter, smart home robots. Unlike traditional machines, these devices can learn, adapt, and act with independence. They represent a shift from passive appliances to active assistants. This transition marks a new era of convenience, where homes are not just filled with tools but with intelligent companions. The journey from simple laborto automated intelligence shows how far household help has evolved. Number 2. What exactly are smart home robots? Smart home robots are more than just high-tech gadgets. They are AI-powered assistants designed to make daily living easier. These robots are equipped with cameras, sensors, and machine learning software that allow them to understand their surroundings and adapt to different situations. Unlike ordinary appliances, which only respond to button presses, smart robots can make decisions on their own. For example, a robot vacuum can detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. Beyond cleaning, robots can serve as security monitors, companions, or even chefs in training. Some interact through voice commands, acting almost like family members. They're called smart because they continue to improve as they learn. Essentially, smart home robots are everyday helpers built with artificial intelligence. Number 3. The benefits of AI-powered household robots. The main attraction of smart home robots lies in the benefits they bring to everyday life. First, they save time. Instead of scrubbing floors or vacuuming carpets, a robot can complete these tasks while you focus on family, work, or rest. Second, they offer consistency. Unlike humans, robots never get bored, distracted, or tired, which means the results are reliable. For elderly or disabled people, smart robots provide independence, helping with tasks that might otherwise require assistance. Security robots add peace of mind by monitoring the home, while pet care robots feed and play with animals when owners are away. Even environmental benefits exist, as many robots use energy and resources more efficiently. Together, these advantages explain their growing popularity. Number 4. Current examples in the market. Smart home robots are not just ideas, they are products you can buy today. The most famous is the robotic vacuum, like the Roomba, which maps your home, avoids stairs, and works quietly in the background. There are also robot mops designed to handle hard floors. Samsung's Bot Handy can recognize and pick up items, helping with simple tasks. In Japan, robots like Aibo the robotic dog and Pepper the companion robot serve as social partners. Other examples include Temi, a robot assistant that can make calls, play music, and follow you around. Pet owners also enjoy automatic feeders and interactive play robots for animals. These real-world products prove that AI-powered household helpers are already becoming part of daily living. Number 5. The challenges and limitations. Despite their promise, smart home robots face several challenges. Cost is a major barrier, as advanced models are expensive and out of reach for many households. Performance limitations exist too. While robots can vacuum or mop, tasks like folding laundry or handling clutter remain difficult. Safety and privacy are concerns, since cameras and microphones are often used to navigate homes. Maintenance is another factor, requiring charging, cleaning, and occasional repairs. Reliability can vary, especially in complex environments. Finally, overdependence is a risk. If people rely too heavily on robots, basic household skills may decline. While promising, these limitations remind us the technology is still evolving. Number 6. How AI and machine learning drive their intelligence. The intelligence of smart home robots comes from artificial intelligence and machine learning, which allow them to learn from experience rather than just follow fixed instructions. For example, a robot vacuum maps your home, identifies high traffic areas, and cleans more thoroughly where needed. Machine learning also enables voice recognition, so robots can respond to natural commands like clean the kitchen or bring me the laundry. Sensors and cameras help them see their environment, while algorithms decide the best actions. Some robots use cloud-based data, learning from thousands of homes to improve their performance. This continuous learning makes them smarter over time, transforming them into adaptive, reliable household assistants. Number 7. Cultural shifts. Are we ready for AI maids? The acceptance of smart home robots depends not just on technology, but on culture and mindset. In countries like Japan, robots are embraced as companions and helpers, while in other regions, people may feel uneasy about machines performing household duties. Younger generations, accustomed to smartphones and voice assistants, adapt more easily, while older generations might view robots as unnecessary or complex. Emotional attachment also plays a role. Many owners name their robotic vacuums or treat them like pets. Society is gradually learning to trust machines, and over time, AI maids may become normal household members, just as washing machines and microwaves once did. Number 8. The future. From cleaning to complete assistance. The future of smart home robots goes far beyond vacuuming or mopping. Developers are designing machines that can cook meals, wash dishes, fold laundry, and even care for the elderly. Imagine a robot preparing breakfast, reminding you of appointments, and tidying up while you're at work. Integration with smart home systems will allow robots to communicate with ovens, fridges, lights, and thermostats, coordinating tasks automatically. Some prototypes even anticipate needs, like preheating the oven before a dinner party. While this may sound futuristic, ongoing advancements suggest that complete household assistance is approaching rapidly, moving robots from helpers to essential members of daily life. Number 9. Ethical and social questions. As smart home robots become common, they raise serious ethical and social questions. Who is responsible if a robot causes damage or harm? The owner or the manufacturer? Privacy is another concern, since many rely on microphones and cameras to function, which can feel intrusive. Jobs may also be affected, as robots could replace cleaners or caretakers, leaving some workers without employment. Social inequality might grow if only wealthy families can afford advanced robots, while others are left behind. There's also the emotional side. Children may form attachments or depend too heavily on machines. Governments and companies must ensure fairness, safety, and responsible development as these technologies continue to expand. Number 10. Are we truly entering the age of AI maids? Are we really entering the age of AI maids? In some ways, yes. Robots already vacuum, mop, feed pets, and even act as friendly companions. While they can't yet cook complex meals or handle every household duty, their rapid progress is undeniable. What we're witnessing now feels like the early days of smartphones, impressive but still evolving. The true age of AI maids will arrive when robots can manage nearly all chores independently. Until then, humans and machines share the workload. One thing is clear. Smart home robots are reshaping how we live, and the dream of fully automated households is getting closer every year. Smart home robots are changing how we view daily life, turning once time-consuming chores into automated tasks. While they promise freedom and convenience, they also bring challenges we must carefully manage. The question isn't whether they'll become part of our homes, but how quickly we'll accept them as everyday helpers. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and inspired.